doing it yourself.
Morris, the crochet.
Yes, hello, welcome. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and yes, today I'm just going to be somehow a little bit speedy, yeah, because I'm not feeling fine. But this video I'm just dedicating to those ones who joined my membership. That yes, I'm reminding you that we're going to start live lessons. So please, if you want to be with me on that, please just join the membership right now so that you don't miss a lot. So in this video I'm just going to be just telling you some of the things that I use, because this is just a simple hairstyle that you can also do it yourself. All right, yes, number one, I was using the Go-To-Be gel, and the Go-To-Be spray. It is the one that I'm using on this simple hairstyle. Just know it is quick, and these are some of the hairstyles that you'd want to do for your party. So it is just very simple and quick, as you're going to be saying. So I'm using the gel, the Go-To-Be gel, and the Go-To-Be spray. Yes, the one that I'm using, and these are just threads. You may think that I'm doing it in a hard way, but it's just I'm just holding the hair for well. You can see even the spaces there, so it is not tight as you may think. And then here I'm just going to hold it puff, just like this.
Carried the winds, drowned out the rain. It'll make sense.
Yes, after all that, I'm going to add the braid extensions, and those ones who have the ultra braids, you can always use it. It is very okay. Yes, and here I'm trying to plait it. Those ones who have been, who have ever tried doing the jungle braids, you know what I'm talking about. So you already know what I'm doing here. So I'm braiding it in a jungle braid format, just like that. I think I'm just going to try to make sure that I show it to you so that you can see it well. Just braid as you're pulling some of them to make some flower. So when I'm done with that, I just have to sew it up here on top. And these are the spring twists of Gina collection. Those ones who know them, spring twists. Yes, others can use passion twists, I don't know, but the spring twists is better because it does these small curls. So any curl that you feel like, you can use it, and this is what it is going to do. Alright, after doing all that, I know you're all waiting for the final look, but trust me, it is very, very nice. These are the hairstyle that you can always do faster when you're going for the party, and yes, they do it for you. So all these hairstyle, I'm just going to be doing them live. To those who would want to join my membership, please just do it right now, because we're going to start doing the live videos. So this is for you. My name is Morris, the crochet master. I love you so much. May God keep blessing you all. I'm gonna be waiting for you. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.